Hi guys, Callum here from 3D Tomorrow. In today's functional prints video, I'm going to be showing you a pipe access cover I designed. Let's go! A 3D printer is an absolutely fantastic tool to have around the house, since it allows you to create one-off bespoke items that would otherwise cost an absolute fortune. One of my family members recently built a wooden housing to go around the water pipes in our house. He also left a circular hole so that there is still access to these pipes, but of course this means that this area is not protected. So he asked if I would be able to create a pipe access cover for this purpose so that you could keep the pipes protected most of the time, but easily remove the cover and get to the pipes as quickly as possible. So that's what we're going to do today. Got to take some measurements, design the part, print it, put it in, bam. I modelled the design in Fusion 360, which is my CAD package of choice when things start to get a little more involved. Since the hole in the wall was made using a circular hole bit drill, I didn't think that a standard cap would be good enough, and so opted instead to use a compression spring to ensure that the cap stayed in place when it was not in use. I started off with a circular sketch, added holes for the two handles, and then blocks which would push into the cap to ensure that it stayed in place. I then added some linear rails in effect using these little triangles, which will also not need support since they're printed at about 45 degrees. I also added in some little diamond shapes either side of these blocks which would hold the spring, and I started the model as if it was in full compression, as this made more sense in my head. Since I modelled it in Fusion and I knew I was doing this for a YouTube video, I decided I would play about with the motion link features and animate it so you can see exactly how it's going to work. And as you can see, when the handles are pushed apart by the compression spring, the blocks will be pushing against the sides of the hole, and this will result in the cap not coming out. Right, so I'm here in the cupboard under the stairs, feeling a bit like Harry Potter. I've got the pipe access cover here. As you can see, it's got these two little handles that adjust this spring in the middle, and obviously when they're squeezed together, it's compressing the spring, and they are going to try and push out and hold this little cap in place. Here we've got the hole that they're going into. If I give them a squeeze, put it into place, release, and it holds nice and tightly so that we've got quick access whenever we need. Right, that's the end of this functional prints video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, then do like the channel and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.